Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am leaving for I have roommates and we all live very separate lives, and so she's making breakfast for a boy that's coming over, which is just like so fun. It's so fun living with girls. Like, I'm here filming a YouTube video about packing for Europe. She's preparing because she's about to host a boy for brunch. My other roommate's not here, but if you're hearing some commotion in the back, he's probably gonna come while I'm like filming this. He's supposed to come at 10. It's 9:44, so he's probably literally gonna come in while I'm filming this. But I'm going to Europe this week, and you guys really loved my last pack with me for Florida video, and so I thought it would be really fun to do one for Europe. And I have my stuff all over the floor. Like, as you can see in the background, my room is a mess. It looks like a tornado hit it. Like, look at all this. Yeah, that's really bad. I was like trying to plan outfits yesterday and lay them out, but I wanted to like go through and show you some of the things that I'm bringing because I have so much cute stuff. I'm so excited. And I ordered this on Amazon last night because I'm trying to keep it to only carry-ons and not do a checked bag because I just feel like it's gonna be easier. And so I have this like suitcase here, and then I got this backpack, which like literally, look, it opens up to like a suitcase, which is so nice. And then it has like a separate compartment for like my iPad and stuff, so on the plane I can easily access all of this stuff. And then there's a pocket here that goes all the way down if I need to put anything else. So I think with these two things, I'm gonna be able to fit everything. So I'm gonna show you my stuff. This is also gonna be good for me to just kind of like organize everything in my brain and like figure out what I'm wearing for what specific thing. So let's get to it. Also, I'm wearing no makeup because I have a facial and I'm getting Botox today. So she's looking a little rough, but nothing wrong with a no makeup moment. So let's get started. So my travel outfit is literally my favorite thing ever. So I have the pink version on right now. I have it in yellow. It looks like this. It's my park sweatshirt, and I'm just like imagining the cute like bathroom Instagram pic in this set. So I got this sweatshirt, and then I did decide to make this yellow one the set, so I got sweatpants. So I have yellow sweatpants to match. Cute little waistband. I got a medium. I sized up so they were baggy, but they're really long. So if you're short and you're getting the park sweatpants, maybe, I don't know if you size down, but they're very, very long. I'm 5'8", and these are dragging on the floor with sneakers. So just keep that in mind. So that's my travel fit, and oh my gosh, I'm just like, I feel so much better when I have a cute travel outfit. Like, I just feel so productive. So very excited for that. And then I'm not gonna be able to sleep on the plane, but like I'm supposed to, because when I get there, it's basically gonna be 5 p.m. So we're gonna go to dinner. So I have this dress. I'm gonna wear this dress a few times, honestly, but I have this like polka dot long, kind of frilly at the top dress that I'm like, okay, like I'm not doing my makeup after the flight. Like, I'm just gonna land, put this on, we're gonna get dinner in Barcelona, and it's gonna be so cute because the next morning we have to wake up early to drive to a different town where the wedding's going to be that I'm attending. Sagaro, I think, is where it's at. And so on the way there, I'm gonna bring just like shorts and a bunch of tank tops, and I'm probably just gonna wear that on the way there. Then we have a boat day. And so I have an order coming in today of a bunch of swimsuits, and I'm probably gonna wear one of those because like I have this one, which is really cute, but like it's a wedding. Like, I don't want to wear white, even if it's a boat day. Like, it's just about the bride. So I'll wear that another time. But my roommate is putting in the work. I'm gonna show you the suits because they are so cute, you guys. Okay, here's one of the bikinis. Is it focused? So here's one of the bikinis. So stinking cute. It's from Hot Swimwear. All their stuff is so adorable. And then I got this full set. Like, I got the sarong and everything. It's like a lemon, like pink lemonade vibe, which will be so cute. And then I also got this like really colorful floral one, which will be really pretty. I might save this one for Mallorca, but I have those on the way. So for the boat day, maybe I'll do this Dippin' Daisies one that I have. It has like, what are these? It has little flowers. Wait, let me. So it's like this, really cute. It has pink on the sides, and then it has matching bottoms as well, which are really cute. So maybe I'll wear this on the boat that day. Then that night we have a white party, which is so fun. And so I got this dress from Opali. I feel like it's really cute. Like it's a bit, I'm like trying to lean back. It's a bit of like a bodycon, but like it's really good for like supporting the girls. And then it has that ruching. So this is gonna be really pretty. I'll probably do some like gold jewelry with it. Next day is the wedding. I'm so excited. I love weddings so much. And so I did a poll on my Instagram because I didn't know which dress to pick, but everyone voted this one, and this was the one I was leaning towards. This is from Pepper Mayo. It's like a strapless floral dress all the way down, and then there's this scarf that goes with it, and it looks so cute. I'm so excited. I need to figure out what heel. I want to bring one pair of heels that I can wear with every dress. So I need to figure that out because I literally have no idea. But this is the wedding day dress. Then the next day we're leaving early to go to Tuscany. And I think the first day in Tuscany, like on the way, we're gonna stop in Siena, I think. And so I was thinking about doing these gingham capri pants with like a black corset top and sandals, or white sneakers could work as well. Let me zip this. They look much more form-fitted and cute on. So love a capri moment. So I think I might do that, or yeah, I think I might do that. And then that night we're gonna do dinner, and this Pepper Mayo dress is so stinking cute, you guys. Like how cute. This ties around the neck, and then the back's completely open, and it's like this frilly skirt at the bottom. So I think this is gonna be the dinner outfit for the first night in Tuscany, which I'm really excited about. Again, don't know what shoes I'm wearing. Then the next day, I think we're gonna hang at the hotel literally like all day long. I think I'm doing this out of order. I think I might be doing this out of order. I think the first night might be dinner at the hotel, and then that's the restaurant, but whatever. You get the gist. So I think I'm gonna wear this at the Tuscany hotel. It's so beautiful. It literally looks like, I don't know how to explain it, like cottage, like castle kind of vibes. But this Opali swimsuit, like the little pink details, how stunning is that? And then that night for dinner, we have this number from Selfie Leslie, this dress. I tried it on and my jaw dropped. I'm like, yes, immediately, yes, this is perfect. It's super long, and you can see like it drapes so pretty. I'm gonna do it off the shoulder, and then the back, like, oh, it drapes so nicely, and it's like a really long dress. I love this color. Like it, imagine with like a sun-kissed glow. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So this is going to be the dinner outfit. How am I gonna fit all this, you guys? I don't know. And then the next day we go to Florence, I believe. And what did he say? So I think we're gonna like explore Florence. I'm actually not too sure, but I'm just gonna show you like what options I have because I don't really remember the itinerary. I got this dress from Aloe. I am obsessed with this. It has built-in shorts, so it's super comfortable. It's so funny because I'm the fit model at Aloe, and like whenever I go into the store, it's always just funny. I'm like buying the items that I'm trying, even though the other girl fit this one. This is so cute. I do have the thing is like I have a discount that I could have got this, but I don't think it would have come in time, so I just bought it. I'm like, whatever, it's really cute. I'm gonna wear it all the time. So this dress is so cute. It does come in a butter yellow, which I've been trying to get my hands on, but I think it was limited edition and I don't think it's coming back. But this is like so good if you're on vacation and like just need something comfortable to walk around in. And then for dinner, I think that night, I don't know if we have plans, but I was just gonna do this white tee I got from White Fox, and I was going to pair it with this silk pink skirt that I got from Zara, like a longer skirt and like a heel, and then maybe I'll do like some kind of belt with it. I think that would be really cute. I definitely need to accessorize this outfit so it's not just a tee and a skirt. Like, I need to add jewelry and a belt and like a really cute bag to make it like a whole look. But I love this skirt. I'll definitely get a lot of use out of this. For the next day, which I believe we're probably hanging at the hotel or walking around, I have this yellow top that I really like. Oh, that's inside out because I just wore it. The color's so pretty. This is from Lulu's. So comfy, like really stretchy material, as you can see. And I was going to wear this with my favorite white jeans that I own. These I got from Princess Polly. And they are like the best white jeans I've found. I've been on the hunt for the perfect pair of white jeans, and these truly are them. So I think together that will be like a really cute look. And then dinner that night, you guys, I literally have everything planned, is this number, which is like, I keep saying this number whenever I have like a dress I really like, but like, ow. She is the moment. Like, it drops low and it looks so good, in the back's completely open. It makes your booty look so good. So the bottom is like it's really long. It's really long, very pretty high neck with the lace. Like, oh my gosh. I hope you can like envision what this is gonna look like. I'm also gonna be taking pictures in all of these and posting them to my Instagram because like, why not? I can't wear a cute fit and not shoot it. I think that's it for my Italy outfits. Of course, if we grab coffee in the morning and stuff, I'm just gonna pack tops like this. Like, it's just a cami with like shorts, like really chill, really casual. I could even throw on the pink skirt with this because it's so comfy. So planning on doing that. Here's like another tank that I plan on bringing. It's Brandy Melville. This is my favorite tank that I have. So then we fly to Mallorca after that. What time is it? Is he coming soon? He's supposed to be here in 4 minutes. So then in Mallorca, I don't have like what I'm wearing for certain days, but I do have just like a bunch of options, and they are all like, I wanted colorful, fun, like sequins, textures, and everything is like incredible. So we're gonna start off with one of my favorites from White Fox. Like, are you joking? Look how cute this is. Like, so flirty, so fun, great for just like walking around. I'm probably gonna wear this to lunch. We're going to this lunch on an island. Like, you walk on this bridge and the restaurant's in the middle of the island. It is so cool and it looks so beautiful. The water's so blue, so I'm just so excited. And this dress, I think, is what needs to be worn. I am also bringing this dress, which is, these two dresses are like my favorite probably of the whole trip. This one from Pepper Mayo, like this pattern, like the print on it, it is just screaming vacation. And then the little frills hanging at the bottom, like so cute, so easy to throw on. Like, I don't know if this will be lunch or dinner, but I am heavily obsessed with this dress. And then this was one of my wedding options, which is my second choice, but I'm still gonna bring it on the trip and wear it at some point. This one is from Princess Polly, and this dress is just like everything. So here's like the top. It has like a strap, and this hangs off the side, so it's like that. Like, the prints on the dresses are so pretty, and it hugs the waist really nicely. And then the bottom is like nice cut, like it's a diagonal. It's so pretty. This dress, just like, oh, it's so romantic and girly and cute. Like, I feel like Jenna Rink would wear this or something. I don't know. And also you can see when it drapes, like the lace pops out. It's like, whoever the designer was for this, like, bravo. This is beautiful. I also have this dress I could wear. I don't have any vision for this, but I've had this forever with no excuse to wear it. And it's just really pretty blue color, which like is really nice for my eyes. I feel like it makes them pop. It is very short, so I'm gonna have to be careful, but the bottom has the frills. It's really form-fitting, really cute. And then I was thinking about styling this top that I have from Pepper Mayo. It's like this frilly top, kind of off the shoulder, really cute. I can wear it with a skirt or even like the white jeans that I have. And then I just have this one swim cover up that I think will I'll just throw on whenever I go to the pool. It's just really cute. It's from Lulu's. It's long to the floor, and it's just like a nice cover up to wear as I'm walking around in my swimsuit. I also have these pink sequin shorts, and I love these a lot. And I think in Mallorca they'd be so fun. I did buy a sheer pink like poncho type of vibe because those are coming back in this summer, which is really funny. I never thought I'd see the day we're wearing ponchos again. But I think with like a bikini top or like a lace bralette with like the poncho off the shoulder, like I see a vision for this. I really see a vision for this. I've had this skirt for a while, and I feel like in Mallorca it'll just be really pretty. It's just like, it's see-through, but it's like a sequin, really pretty, like mermaid looking skirt. So I'm gonna bring this in case I decide to wear it. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this dress. I might bring it just to shoot it while I'm there, but I've been dying to wear this dress. Like, I got it for my birthday and it came in late, and I've been dying to wear it. So it's from Meshki. It has like all these pink sparkles. It's so shimmery, and like the top is just so flattering off the shoulder, and then it has the drape here, and it's long to the floor. So I think I'm gonna bring this one just to shoot. I think it might be too much to wear it to like a restaurant or something, but I've been dying to wear this, and I think like with a Canon and a flash, like the picture, it's going to eat. It's gonna slay the house down boots. I'm gonna bring this and just see if I can shoot it. If I'm running out of space in my luggage, this is definitely something I'm just gonna leave it home because I could shoot it here somewhere, but I really would like to shoot it there. Other than underwear, socks, toiletries, I did get like travel size toiletries and just like other travel size stuff to take. But yeah, I'll pack my makeup, my skincare. I have some liquid IV, my iPad, my Kindle. I downloaded some books, my jewelry, and my passport. Oh my gosh, I need to get that out now because I will forget it. I just know myself. So other than that, that is everything that I am taking to Europe. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, it's going to be so beautiful. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. I know you guys like my packing videos, so if you want to see more, let me know. I do have potentially a trip to the Bahamas coming up, still in the works, so we will see. I'm planning on going to New York Fashion Week, so we'll see if all of that works out. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be better about posting. I say that every video, but I mean it this time because now I have a Canon G7X and I have no excuse not to film because this thing has storage, the quality's great, and I love it so much. I'm so happy that I made the investment and I got it. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.